Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Carrie. Today we're going to be making no-bake peanut butter marshmallow squares. In our house, they're called confetti squares. I came to find that this is a Canadian recipe. Didn't know that growing up in Canada my whole life. Wasn't aware that this isn't made in other parts of the world. So I guess I'm sharing with you a Canadian favorite this time. It's a super easy one. It's no bake. Like I said before, it comes with confetti marshmallows, peanut butter, butterscotch chips are the main ingredients, and it's a quick, easy thing to do. I'm going to take you through that step by step and show you how we make those at our house. So hope you enjoy. Look at that. They look delicious. If you're new here, I'm so excited that you're here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my other videos. Each week, I use common kitchen and pantry ingredients to turn it into good food for you and your family to enjoy on a budget. Today, I'll be creating a simple dessert that's easy to make and tastes great. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell so you get notified and won't miss any of these other great videos when they come out. Let's get cooking. To start this recipe, you're going to have a half a cup of melted butter. Then you're going to add 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Put that all in. And then the next thing you're going to add is 1 bag of butterscotch chips. 300 grams for 1 bag. So we're going to put all those things in together, and we're going to slowly melt them over medium heat. So already we've gotten smoother, but we still have a little bit of butterscotch chips, I should say, that are still needing to be melted. So we're just doing this over low to medium heat, nice and slow. And once this is melted, we will go to the next step. So we have now melted the butter, the butterscotch chips, and the peanut butter on the saucepan until they're all combined. We've taken it off of the oven at this point and it's starting to cool. So what we're going to add now is now this is to make a little bit more wow than it already was before, but just a little bit extra, and that is 1 teaspoon of vanilla to that mixture. There we go. Then we're going to put in a separate bowl our colored marshmallows. We're going to do 4 cups and 4. So the traditional recipe calls for the sauce and the marshmallows to be mixed together, and that is it. We're going to do a little bit extra and add a crunch to it, and that's by putting in 1 cup of Rice Krispies. So again, my half measurements, so there's a half and 1. Okay, so the reason why you're letting this sauce cool is so it doesn't melt your marshmallows the instant you put it on. So we'll do some mixing up there. Okay, so now our sauce has cooled down enough. We're going to pour that into our marshmallows and Rice Krispie mixture there. And next I'm going to mix it all in together. Now, the Rice Krispies give it a nice little crunch, which is fun with this one. Okay, I have lined my pan with parchment paper. And the reason why I've done that is so when these have cooled in the fridge, you can just pop them out and cut them up nice. Now you can use whatever size pan as you'd like. Whatever size you use is going to depend on how thick or how thin your squares are. They look delicious. So now we're going to put them in the fridge for them to set and get hard. And then I'm going to show you how it just pops right out and you can cut them into little squares. Pull them out, they come completely out. Clean container. opened them up, so now you have a better view of them, and I'm going to cut them. Look at how adorable and fun these are. Those colored marshmallows and Rice Krispies give a little of a crunch to it as well. It's gonna be the hit at any party that you bring these to. The kids are gonna gobble them up. So if you've enjoyed cooking with me today, if you would hit subscribe and join the channel so that you don't miss any of the other great videos that I bring out every week. And if you feel so inclined, you can share this with your friends and family on social media, and hopefully we'll get more people that follow and enjoy cooking with me. And thanks for joining me on Cooking with Carrie.